Hey, hello guys. What's going on? So guys, today we will see how can we update our Windows, how can we speed up our laptop or desktop. It's very easy, very simple. Just you have to focus. It's better if you open your computer, laptop or desktop with me. Now, let's start. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to tell you, always update your Windows. How can you update your Windows? It's very easy. Just search updates. You will find this. Click on check for updates and then you will find this window. There will be the updates. So my device is already updated. You will click on update Windows and it will be updated. Or you can make the schedule for when you want to update your Windows, or because if anything is missing in your window, it will be download from the internet and your Windows will be updated all the time. Okay, so let's start our first steps. So guys, tip number one is power option setting. So for this option, what you have to do it, you will click here, go to settings, then you will click on setting. This window will be appear and here you will click on system. You can see in system display sound notification power whatever. Okay, so you will click on system and then here you will click on power and sleep. In power and sleep you will come here and you will click on additional power setting. So you will find this. You have to click this balance. If you have high power, so I recommend click on high. Okay, if you have balanced only, so change plan setting, go change advanced power setting, then go to the hard disk, change the minutes and change the minutes into 0. Then go there, processor power management, click on minimum processor state and make it 0. Okay, then make sure the maximum processor state should be 100. So just check it's 100, then apply. Okay, so from this your laptop performance will be better and you can work easily and fast. So let's go on the next. So this step is change privacy setting. In different application you see different ads, you have the location, it's on if you don't use it. So you can close all these settings so your computer will be fast and it will not give you any problem. So just first we click on again in start. Start and then setting. Here you see the privacy. Okay, you will click on privacy and you see all these are on. During the website you are using or application you are using, so you close all these. Okay, then go to the location. If you use the location, it's okay, otherwise no need to change, keep it. Click on change and make it off. If your application is on from here, so also make it off. Okay, then you go to camera, allow application to access your camera. If you don't use the camera, close it. And if you need the camera for some of the application, so you can keep it like Skype. If you use Skype, you can open it. Or another application, if you use it like see, you can close this, this one, this one. If you want to keep Skype, it's okay. Okay, so this one also desktop access, no. If you need for this application, it's okay, it depends on you. Like this, you go to microphone. If you want to use with some application the microphone, keep it, otherwise close it. Like if you don't want, just close this. Okay, now go to the other option, go to contacts and allow application to access, yani choose which application to access your contact. You just can keep it if you want to use it, otherwise mail and calendar, if you use it, it's okay, otherwise close it. Okay, navigate the calendar and also make it off if you don't use it. If you use it, keep it on for which one you use. The same like call history, if you use it, it's okay, otherwise close it. For the email, you can keep it, or if you don't want, just close it. Okay. Like the radios, I don't think so. You will use this. Just close this. The background apps, check. If you use for any of it, just keep it. Otherwise, close it. I'm just closing all. So I'm just showing you. You can keep if you want some of the options, and you can use it. But if you don't use it, so this is for nothing in your laptop. Open. Okay, so like this. Now it's enough. Now you go to home, system setting, go to notification and action tab. So no need to show notification on the lock screen, show reminder, incoming. If you want to keep this, it's okay. So close the notification for all what you don't want it, and it will also save your laptop energy and make it fast. Okay. Now this time again we will go to the home and we will make the game setting. Disable this if you don't want, and you can see which option you need it. Just keep it, and the rest of it disable. So like this, you can go to the capture and just see which one you use it. And for the gaming, for the recorded video, if you don't want, just remove it. If you come in the game mode, when game mode is on, Windows optimize your PC to play. Xbox networking, if you think you connect your PC with the Xbox, so keep it, otherwise disable this option. So that's all we can do in this privacy setting. So now jump to the next tip. Number 3 is defragment and optimize drivers or devices. Just type in the search bar defragment and optimize drives. You will find this screen. Go to your C drive, click on optimize, and that's it. So let's jump on the next step. So our next step is disable unwanted startup program. So for this steps, you go to the task manager and choose task manager. Then this window will be appear. So for more option in this window, you will click more details. You will click on startup and you will find too many options here and this. So what you have to do exactly, so you see there are too many programs starts when you open your computer, and we don't want these programs start when you open your computer. It takes space and it makes your computer slow. See what you have to do, you will click the program, what you have to disable, you don't want this during the execute your laptop, so just disable one by one the programs what you don't want, Cortana, and from this your computer will start fast and it will shut down fast. If you want to keep any of the program, you can keep it, otherwise make it disable. Skype, I don't want this. That's it. This will only affect when you restart your computer, and your computer will be faster than before. So let's go to the next step, tip number 5. So tip number 5 is delete every unnecessary file. So guys, for this you can use the shortcut key, hold the Windows keys and press R. Hold the window key and press R, so you will find here this window. Now you have to type temp and click OK. So these all files we use only one time when you use the program, and after that it's only just the temporary Windows. Keep this file because you use some application, so no need for this. This is just for wasting our space. So what will we do? We will select all, Control A, and then hold the shift button and delete button. So see, now 223 items will be deleted from your hard disk. Now again hold the shift key with the Windows key, hold the window key and press R, and again now we will write here person temp person and press OK. Select all, Control A. These folders are temporary, you can delete it, and hold Shift delete and delete it all, 1338. Just delete it. It will be deleted, and this is only just again wasting our hard disk space, and this is for nothing. So before the next step, I want to give you a small tip about the recycle bin. Many of the people don't clean the recycle bin. So you will have the recycle bin on the desktop, or you can go from anywhere. This is the recycle bin. Just select all and delete. So many of the things what you have in recycle bin and you don't use it, it will be deleted. Sometimes the people just click the delete button, but from the delete button, these files will keep in your hard disk. So hold the shift button and press delete. So it will be delete for forever from your computer. So now we jump on the next step. The next tip is disk clean. This is also very important tip. So let's start. First you search this PC. You open this PC on your computer. Just right click on your C drive. Go to properties. Under the general tab you will find this disk cleanup. In this disk cleanup you have to wait seconds, and you can see now this disk cleanup has this all thumbnails, temporary file, recycle bin, or downloads, program file, or whatever. So here what you want to keep it, just keep it with you or delete it. Just click on cleanup system and it will start to clean all the things. You can see this cleanup system files and it will clean all the files what you don't use it. It will calculate how much space you will be able to free on Windows SSD C drive. I will recommend this cleanup system do with all the partition what you have it. So your Windows or your laptop will have too many free space and it will affect on your system speed. So as you can see now it's cleaning this. So if you have 3 partitions or 2 partitions or 4 partitions, just do with all the partitions and check every time within month, within week, as you like. So like now you can see now it has been cleaned. Now the same thing you can do with this drive, properties and cleanup, and in the cleanup you can remove the recycle bin or whatever. So let's jump to the next step. The next step is registry tweak. So after this also your laptop speed will be better. You will feel your computer is moving fast. So for this option what we have to do, again we have to hold the Windows key plus R, and here we will write rect edit. Then you will press OK. You see these 5 keys are showing here, and these keys will help you to find out. Now here you have to go to the H key current user, and here you have to delete many things. because there are some files what you don't use and the Windows doesn't need also. So go to control panel, and from the control panel, now here you have to click on the mouse folder. Here you have to go there, mouse hover, this one you can make it big, mouse over time, and from, so when you click on the mouse over time, this is 400, make it 0. Like this, you will go to the desktop, and there is one option, menu show delay. This one, you will click on it. You will click on menu show delay, and after this you will see and change the value to 400 to 10. Okay. In mouse also you will put the time value, it's 10, not 0, it will be 10. Sometime there is a problem with my PC, so that's why I click this. Now you have to go to the HP local machine, click on the software. Now you have to see the Microsoft folder, and in the Microsoft folder you have to, here you have to find the Windows anti folder. Now you have to check where is it. You have to go to the Windows anti folder and the current version folder, and after that, and then go to the multimedia folder. Scroll down, there is the multimedia folder. Click on it, and finally go to the system profile, and there is system, and you will click on it. There is hexadecimal value. You will do 0 and click OK. Okay guys, so for today I think this is enough, and try this, and inshallah it will boost your laptop speed and Windows speed. In the next class I will continue this, and I will give you some more tips and techniques to boost up your laptop, your Windows. And don't forget to tell me in the comment box what was the output, what was the result. Okay guys, take care, bye.